Creative, it'll get better. I know sometimes it doesn't feel like it's ever going to get better. It feels like nothing you make goes anywhere and it's never good enough, and maybe there's nobody who likes what you're doing, but I promise you, it will get better. It's especially hard when you're low and you can't stand anything that you create. I have been there. Every creative in the world has been there. You strive and you fight and you bleed and sweat and you make the thing and you look at it and you go, oh, what have I wrought? It will get better. You know how we talk about seasons around here? Well, your feelings about what you create are part of that process. And sometimes there are going to be dry winters with dead branches, but it will get better. Spring comes again. That dark place is not the end. So keep creating, keep going. What you're making is better than you think it is. And the growth that you're experiencing as you make stuff will make it worth going through this time. You're not alone. You're not broken. You are a perfectly normal creative just going through seasons. So when you get the chance, even if you don't feel like it, today, sit down with me and let's make something new.